How you doing?
Excellent. How you doing?
Everything is absolutely stupendous. You hear me use that word?
I like that word. That's a good word.
Can't spell it, but it sounds good.
Right. Yeah, exactly. That might be one of the 12 words that people didn't know they were mispronouncing.
That's right. Stupendous. I see my girl is here this morning.
Yeah.
Got a jeans on, you know.
That I wear every day, Captain.
Super tight.
Right.
Big Daddy was
How you doing?
right.
How you doing?
So she decided to put on her best jeans.
Yes. I was gonna wear my Bruce shirt.
She ain't shy. I just need to get away from you guys.
Exactly.
That's what it is.
It'll never be the same.
And you got that smooth radio voice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you do.
I got it now. I'm telling you.
You could like host like a Quiet Storm kind of show. You know,
Oh, yeah.
one of those sensual love song shows.
like DJs used to do back in the day. How you doing?
Right.
You ready to lay down and go to sleep?
Exactly.
I'm getting sleepy.
Right.
What's going to do your girl here?
Huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Right.
Your voice
How
is
you been?
hypnotic.
Everything is good, man.
Things are good?
Everything is very good.
You're working hard as always.
Always, man. That's the name of the game. Working hard, working smart, and having fun while you do it.
That's right, man.
Yeah.
Absolutely. What kind of fun stuff you been up to lately?
And that's, still messing with old cars,
Yeah.
One of my vehicles got stolen last week, though.
No.
Somebody liked it better than me.
Stolen your car?
Yeah, one of my dualies. I got a big, 350.
Hell yeah. Stole it.
Yeah. Stripped it.
Stripped it?
Oh, my God.
Took everything.
Did not have a friend in Jesus. You know what I'm saying? You know the song, "Oh, What a Friend We Have in Jesus"?
Uh-huh.
It didn't have a friend.
Not that time.
Not at all.
No. Maybe Jesus is the Chevy man.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But I doubt it. I doubt it.
Yeah, exactly. Jesus is a Ford man.
Yeah.
Jesus drives like an F550. It doesn't even exist.
I want a 650 now.
Yeah. Right. You want one better than Jesus?
I want the big boy.
Man. That would be a big ass
I gotta
truck.
pick up my girl in the tight.
Oh
Right.
my God.
I didn't call no names. I just said tight jeans.
Yeah.
You didn't have those on yesterday.
No, she didn't. She didn't have.
Yes, I did. Captain, don't even start up with jeans every day.
Captain, she was in her sweatpants, right?
No, I wasn't.
Nothing like that yesterday.
Oh, stop it, Cap. Stop it.
Usually it's garbage bags and potato bags.
Oh,
Yeah.
really, guys?
Jeez.
So, man, are you happy to see me?
I'm always happy to see you.
Very
I
good.
miss you.
I miss you.
I'm glad you're back.
She was actually this close to almost wearing the whipped cream bikini today.
Let's do it.
Close.
Yeah.
I'm close.
I'm telling you, I'll have you doing some crazy things.
I'm sure.
Stealing clothes.
Really?
See, her mind was somewhere else. Stealing clothes.
Stealing clothes.
Selling half off to people.
Hustling.
In fact, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta make money somehow, I guess, right?
Absolutely.
Stealing clothes and sell them half off. That's a good way to do it.
Half off, especially the church members. They'll buy it. Always saying they don't want to get it.
Like all good church goers should do, right?
Absolutely. So how you guys been?
Excellent.
Good.
Very good. Glad you came. I got married.
Did you?
I did. Yeah, got
Cool.
married, and we're having a baby.
Very good.
Yeah, she's over 5 months pregnant, so got that whole thing going
I
on.
mean, you are doing your job.
Yeah, that's it, right? Doing my job.
That's right.
Got married and have a kid,
All right,
right?
it's your first marriage.
First marriage, yes.
First kid.
Uh-huh.
Very good, man. I'm
Yeah.
proud of you, man. Congratulations.
That's how you do it.
Congratulations.
That's how you do it.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it. Yeah. No, things are good.
Hey, everything's good, man.
Yeah, man. Personal.
Nice baby. I remember my first son. Yeah, I'm not proud of it. I mean, I'm not making it, I'm not saying he's the sharpest knife in the drawer because he's not.
Right.
But, woo. Raise your children. So, oh my God, he's a piece of work. You hear me?
Really? And how old is he now?
He'll be 30 in September.
Really? See,
Wow.
you don't seem old enough to me to have a 30.
I am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He'll be 30 in September.
Man.
And I have a son 26 and a daughter 25.
Wow. So what do they all do?
In college.
They're-
He doesn't do anything.
He doesn't do nothing.
No, he watch them. He's watching them finish grad school. Yeah.